Tools required for replacing the drive: a small flat blade screwdriver, a 7mm socket tool. First, unplug all the terminals on the drives. Unscrew all the nuts from the drives. So you can take the drives out. The M566C drive must be installed here in X. Secure the new drive, then fix it with nuts. The other 3 drives are the same model. The order in which you install them is unlimited. Install them in turn. After the drives are fixed, plug all the terminals back in. Then take out a flathead screwdriver, unscrew the 2 yellow and green wires of X drive. Switch their positions. Then adjust the drive gear with a flathead screwdriver. First X-axis drive 168 switches down, and then the other dials go up. Second Y-axis drive 1268 switches down, and then the other dials go up. Third Z-axis drive 368 switches down, and then the other dials go up. Fourth E-axis drive 23568 switches down, and then the other dials go up. Finally, power on and start the machine. Check if the manipulator is acting correctly.